Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a profile on Ladder. So actually guys, editing your profile on this app is pretty simple, but the exact options are a bit limited compared to social media. So actually guys, first you will need to open the Ladder app and then just tap your profile, usually bottom menu or your avatar, and even you can find it at the top right corner as you can see. So right here. So just tap it and then tap on the gear icon or the settings, okay, at the top right as well. And right here you will need to look for an option that says profile or account. So that's one, profile and personal details, the first one. Tap it and there you go. So here you will need to edit your first name, or you can edit your first name, last name, email, even add a bio, add your social media, for example, your Instagram account, TikTok, or even your number. Right there, you can add your location and your birthday, all right? And also, guys, here you can change your avatar or your photo. Even you can add or change the background. So once finished, you will need just to go with save right here, or the check mark that you can find the top right. So this is the standard flow used across most Ladder accounts. And also, guys, as I told you, you can edit a profile photo, email, sometimes basic account details and preferences, even the settings. So from official support guidance, the profile info is edited by going to your account page, profile, then edit, then save and changes. So what you can't easily edit, some things are restricted, like name changes, require contacts and support, certain account details looked after sign up. So for example, changing your name often requires email and support with verification. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.